I truly believe that it's important for us to devolve the presidency. The president is the president of every province, of every person. Doesn't matter what party they belong to, you are their president, and you have a responsibility to make sure that you can draw attention to the needs in the provinces where these people live. So what we are going to do as the Build Zimbabwe Alliance is to make sure that the president is actually obligated to a week's residency in each province per month.
Okay.
And that's very critical for us because this ties in with something else that we believe in very strongly. There's no way to resuscitate the national economy in Zimbabwe without resuscitating the economy of the provinces. There is no way. And the only way that you can make sure that there is equitable development in this country and every province has the attention of investors and so on is by the president actually being present there. You know, because the president's presence in a province attracts attention. And also, the president then gets to really know what is missing in those provinces. And that's a non-partisan, that time of residency, it must be constitutionally mandated that it's non-partisan. So the president cannot go there and organize a rally, for instance, of his people in the province during that time of residency. This is a national responsibility that they have as president. To make sure that they can mobilize people, make sure that the provincial business recovery and development plans for that particular province is actually being implemented. Make sure that the business engagement teams from that province are being supported. Make sure that the needs of the people in that province are actually heard at presidential level. So that's something that I'm very excited about.